Good morning everybody, happy Friday, welcome back to another vlog. Bonjour mes chers amis, bienvenue sur une nouvelle édition du vlog. Si c'est la première fois que vous suivez notre vidéo, appuyez sur le bouton abonner, abonnez-vous sur la chaîne rapidement, merci beaucoup. If this is your first time watching our video, please subscribe to this channel right now, we really appreciate it. It's Friday morning, you know, last day of the week, the work week, which is exciting. And to make it even better, it's payday, so can't get much better than that, right? So as you guys can tell, looking in my eyes, I just woke up. As you can tell, looking in my eyes, I just woke up. I woke up a little late. I gotta go to the store and get a couple of things. So I'm running now. I gotta be at work at 8:30. Right now it's already 7:15, so I have to run to the store real quick and get back home. You know, I gotta constantly have this talk with my kids, right, about what it was like for me to grow up, you know, and then my wife will constantly do the same with them, what it was like for her, you know, growing up, you know. And when we tell you children those kind of stories, it's because we want you to know that we don't mind getting you stuff when you know, whine about your wants. I want this, I want that. But we want you to appreciate it. You know, we want you to appreciate it, because you do get a lot of stuff, obviously, but you don't appreciate it, which is why you say that and just whining about more stuff. The more you want, it's not like, oh, if you want more, you're gonna get more. That's not how this is gonna work out. You know what I'm saying? You have to show appreciation to what you have and what your parents are able to do for you.
This is me seasoning, y'all. Look how I get down. Oh. That's brown sugar, yes. I have curry, paprika on here. Brown sugar, salt, pepper, garlic. Have some nutmeg and some allspice. The beds are here. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. The beds are here. And me and Legend are going to attempt to put the beds together.
Without them in our way.
Without the kids in our way. Go ahead and put this up. Do me a favor. Take the bedding and put it on the couch. Pillows and the covers on the couch. So we can get the stuff out the room. And we have a clear space to put each bed up. Finally got to get these beds off the damn floor and get their beanbag chairs underneath the beds.
No, I think we can just put them in front of the bed.
No, they're going to go under the bed. And then I'm going to sweep this floor, because these kids keep a messy floor. And then I'm going to show you how you can keep 4 kids in a 2-bedroom apartment just fine.
The bees are catching themselves.
No, I want the bedding. I didn't say the beds. So I'll take the cover and the
unboxing the bed parts. I want to do something.
You want to do something? Listening is doing something as well, isn't it? Oh, okay.
Instructions.
The Tuffing bunk bed by Ikea.
A bunk bed?
Perfect. That's the right screwdriver I need. I think this matches the description. Yes. Yes, it does. Does it match the description? Yes, it does. Okay. So I managed to get one part of the bed together. That's about it right now.
Where was the camera?
On that thing.
On what
The bookcase. We've devoured the watermelon.
I don't want the
Watermelon naturally has seeds. This one was really, really good. It's really sweet.
out of that press now. So, Mama and Legend are almost done building this. Gonna look probably these are you.
I don't need daddy for everything. Huh?
You don't, yeah, Mama
I
don't.
do some stuff on my own.
Yeah.
Now you make
You say up to
for everything. You can make stuff for you with everything.
All right, here we go. There goes the base to one bed.
But it would be too high for that one, for the other one.
Yeah, it's not as high as I thought it was. We're gonna get it together right now, okay? So, the second part, now that we've done this, is to,
Let me show this to you.
yeah. We have the bottom part of the bed
Me
complete.
is the next bed is the top bed to the bottom bed. Maybe step in and see what it looks like. See, guys? Here's the bed. The whole part of it. No, we.
This is why I don't want you there, baby. You got to move. So we've been working at a feverish pace, to put this bed together before Daddy gets home. Just want to let you know, babes, I don't need you anymore. I have sons now.
Really?
All right? And my sons can do for themselves. So, you know what I mean? Like, they can clean, they can wash their own clothes by hand. Limited cooking, but they can eat a bowl of cereal just fine. And guess what? They can add putting a bed together. Mechanical abilities. Yes, you can. They can add mechanical abilities to their list. Come over here and screw this one right here. Right here. Hey, be careful.
Which way? Well,
This way.
okay, I can do it. Left. I think this is left and this is right. This is left.
Yes, left.
This is right.
But his
This
right.
Is left. This is right.
Mm-hmm. Okay, next one. This one right here. Go ahead. Oh, go ahead.
Right. Up. Down. Now, go back where it was. Restart. From the top. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left. Right.
Let me see you, Kenji.
I look like a freak.
You look
And
freak.
Legend look like a three-head man. And Legend look like a funnel guy.
But why do I have your hair like this right now? Because I have to do what to your hair?
You cut my hair all
I had to pop it, but I had to cut in between where your hair was growing matted. And now I'm gonna have to do their hair. But hubby is home. It's Friday. It's a little crazy. I made lasagna for dinner. Come on, boys. Let's go. Legend, come on. Did he just say it's not game time? Get out of here. Get out of here.
My bill.
I'll get you a spoon. Get out of here.
So it was super late last night when we finished this thing. One thing I didn't know is that my wife actually bought this thing from Ikea, which is like the worst kind you can ever do. So
Look at me. Look at me.
But it's the next morning and that's the beds all put together. Let's see how long it lasts because Ikea product are garbage. I don't know why the hell she bought that though.
And knowing what you can